Today, we're tapping on allowing yourself to become a millionaire. And before your mind immediately jumps into doubt, just stay open for a minute because this session isn't really about forcing money to magically appear out of nowhere. It's about clearing the emotional resistance, fear, guilt, identity, conflicts, and subconscious programming that may be blocking you from fully allowing greater wealth into your life. Because a lot of people say they want $1 million, but when they actually imagine having it, something tightens in their body. Fear shows up, stress shows up, doubt shows up, questions show up. What would people think? Could I handle it? Would I change? Would people judge me? Would I lose relationships? Would I become greedy? And most people never realize that those emotional reactions are often the exact things keeping abundance at a distance. So today, we're becoming aware of those hidden blocks instead of fighting them unconsciously. We're creating more emotional safety around wealth and abundance, more openness around abundance, and more alignment with becoming the version of ourselves who can actually receive, manage, enjoy, and use greater wealth in meaningful ways. So close your eyes and take a slow breath in through your nose. Hold it and let it go. And with your eyes still closed, I want you to think about a specific amount of money you truly love to have. Maybe it's $1 million. Maybe it's more. Maybe it's less. Whatever amount genuinely feels meaningful to you. And now imagine actually having that money. Imagine it fully existing in your reality. Think about what you would do with it, how your life would feel, what you would create, who you would help, what kind of freedom it would give you, and allow yourself to notice the positive emotions that come up, the excitement, the relief, the peace, the possibility. But also notice what doesn't feel comfortable. Notice any fear, tension, guilt, pressure, or resistance that shows up too. Because those emotions are often the hidden blocks standing between you and what you consciously want or say you want. Take another breath in and open your eyes. So we're going to do EFT tapping, which is emotional freedom techniques. So basically you just tap in these points, the hand, eyebrow point, side of the eye, under the nose, chin, collarbone, under the armpit, and top of the head. Okay, that's one cycle. Now you can tap on either side of the body because the meridian points are on each side. You can use one hand or two hands. I like to do two hands when I'm tapping by myself, but you can do whatever is comfortable for you and use 2 or 3 fingers. Okay, so now just tap where I tap and say what I say. Repeat after me. Even though part of me resists becoming a millionaire, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though part of me doesn't fully feel safe having this much money, I choose to love and honor myself anyway. Even though I have fears, doubts, and old programming around wealth, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself, and I'm open to clearing that now. I choose to become open to having $1 million. I choose to become more available for abundance. But part of me still feels resistance. Part of me feels fear around having more money. Part of me questions whether it's safe or whether I deserve it. And I'm ready to become aware of those blocks. Instead of unconsciously fighting them. Part of me says I shouldn't even want this much money. Part of me says it's wrong somehow. Part of me worries about what people would think. Or how life would change. Part of me worries I couldn't handle it. Or that money would create stress and pressure. And I'm ready to clear those fears. One layer at a time. I don't need money to prove my worth. I don't need wealth to make me enough. But I also don't need to fear abundance. I can allow myself to desire more. Without guilt, without shame, without feeling selfish. Because abundance can create good things too. The more abundance I allow into my life, the more good I can do. The more people I can help. The more freedom I can create. The more opportunities I can experience. And maybe it's safe to allow more now. Maybe it's safe to become wealthier. And stay grounded at the same time. I'm clearing old programming around money. Clearing inherited beliefs around wealth. Clearing fear around success. Clearing fear around visibility. Clearing fear around responsibility. Clearing at a cellular level. clearing all the way back through my past. Releasing now. I allow myself to become the kind of person who can handle more money, more grounded with money, more responsible with money. More peaceful around money. I trust myself to grow. I trust myself to learn. And I trust myself to receive more abundance with wisdom and balance. Part of me already knows abundance exists everywhere. I can see it in nature, in the stars, in the sky, in the grass, in the trees, in the water, in the sea, in the lakes, in the ocean, in the endless possibilities all around me. And maybe I'm more open to abundance than I realize. Maybe I've just been blocking it emotionally. And I'm clearing those blocks now. I allow myself to feel more comfortable with wealth, more emotionally safe with abundance, more available for opportunities, more aligned with overflow. I allow myself to receive more with peace, with openness, and with gratitude. Close your eyes again and take a deep breath in slowly. Hold it and let it go. And just imagine what it would feel like to stop resisting the version of you that can thrive financially. Imagine becoming someone who feels calm around wealth instead of afraid of it. Someone who can receive abundance without guilt, shame, or emotional tension. Feel what that version of you feels like in their body, how they think, how they move through life, and understand something important. Becoming wealthier doesn't require becoming someone fake. It simply requires becoming more emotionally available for greater abundance, opportunities, and growth. Now take one more breath in, hold it, and open your eyes. The more emotionally safe you become with abundance, the easier it becomes to allow more of it into your life. Because sometimes the biggest thing standing between you and greater wealth isn't lack of opportunity, it's the unconscious fear of what having more might mean. So keep coming back to the session whenever old fears or resistance show up again, because you don't need to force abundance when you stop fighting it internally. So drink some water after tapping and be kind and gentle with yourself today. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.